Replacing the gas discharge tube in Proxicast's ANT-27x lightning arresters. First, unscrew the slotted cap to remove the old gas discharge tube. Turn the arrestor so that the hole is pointing downward. Place the slotted cap on a coin or screwdriver. A thin cloth will help hold the cap on the screwdriver. Gently place the new tube onto the cap and slowly insert both into the arrestor. Tighten the cap until it stops. It should be flush with the body of the arrestor. Gently shake the arrestor. If you hear a rattle, the tube is not seated correctly. No rattle? Congratulations! You are done.